Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I'm featuring the Blended Seasons bundle. I've created a really awesome online class around this bundle, so I'm supporting the products with quite a few projects. In the card kit, you'll get enough supplies to make 2 cards. I'm only featuring 1 here. You'll get 2 envelopes as well. So there's a real red card base, and there's this beautifully stitched Whisper white piece, and I am inking up the holly leaves and berries with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, which is a alcohol friendly ink, and I will be stamping Merry Christmas in the center. Doesn't that line up so beautifully? Now I have the blends here. This is the new color Granny Green Apple. I'm laying down a little bit of dark where I feel that the shadows should be, and then I'm going in with the light, and I mean it's just pretty simple. 2 blend, or 2 shades I should say. I've sped this up so because I don't color this quickly, and it never, you know, looks this nicely when I'm doing it. But when you speed stuff up, you're like, yeah, look at me go. I'm a rock star. All right. I just ended up trying to blend the light and the dark. The Granny Green Apple here, this color is the bomb. Like, it turned out really nicely. I barely saw a transition line at all. Then I'm coming in with my lovely, is it Poppy Parade? Yes, Poppy Parade. It's the dark one. And I did the berries. Then I have shaded spruce here, and this is the regular Stampin' Right marker. You can, of course, use these Stampin' Right markers. There's just no tone to it. And little hint, the Christmas catalog will feature a shaded spruce blends alcohol marker. So get those wallets out, and if you like this color, which I do like it very much, so I will be purchasing that marker. So I went over with my Clear Wink of Stella glitter brush pen and put as much sparkle as I needed to. Now this is Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper, and I just placed about a 2-inch strip, 1/2 inch on the bottom of that real red cardstock. Now this is the little trick that I like to do. This is shaded spruce and Granny Green Apple, just cutting it down to a more workable size. I want it slightly bigger than the shape, the stitch shape there. So I'm lining these strips up together, and then I have just made a tail end. Now I'm pushing the Granny Green Apple up a little bit, again checking for size, trimmed off a little bit more of that shaded spruce, and now I'm going to fishtail the ends again. So what this is going to leave me with the Granny Green Apple strip longer than the shaded spruce. And then I've just adhered that strip right on the center of the card. The spruce goes on next, dimensionals on my focal piece, and that is my first Christmas card of 2018. Thanks so much for supporting me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the kit, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.